If Netflix is not working on your smart TV in 2026, you're definitely not alone, because this is one of the most common issues people run into. You open the app and it won't load, or it crashes, or it just keeps buffering forever. So in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Netflix not working on your smart TV, step by step, with solutions that actually work. Let's get into it. First, why does this happen? On Netflix, issues usually come from internet connection problems, app glitches, outdated software or device compatibility issues. So, we're going to fix each one. First fix, and the most important one, check your internet connection. Netflix needs a stable connection to work properly. So, try this. Open another app like YouTube and see if it loads. Restart your router. Move your TV closer to the router if needed. If your internet is unstable, Netflix won't load or will keep buffering. Now, second fix, restart your smart TV. This clears temporary bugs. Just turn off your TV, unplug it from power. Wait about 30 seconds, plug it back in and turn it on. Then open Netflix again. This simple step fixes a lot of issues. Now, third fix, check if Netflix is down. Sometimes the problem isn't your TV. Netflix servers might be having issues. So, try opening Netflix on your phone or ask someone else. If it's not working anywhere, you'll need to wait. Now, fourth fix, update the Netflix app. An outdated app can cause crashes or loading problems. Go to your TV's app store and check for updates. Install the latest version. Now, fifth fix, update your smart TV software. This is very important. Outdated system software can break apps. So, go to Settings, check for system updates, install any available updates. Now, sixth fix, sign out and sign back in. This refreshes your account session. So, open Netflix. Sign out, sign back in now. Seventh fix, clear app cache or data. On some smart TVs, you can do this. Go to Settings Apps, Netflix clear cache or data. This removes corrupted files. Now, eighth fix, reinstall Netflix. If nothing else works, do this. Delete the Netflix app. Reinstall it from the App Store. Log back in. This gives you a fresh version of the app. Now, ninth fix, check device compatibility. Older, smart TVs may no longer support the latest version of Netflix. If your TV is very old, the app may stop working properly. In that case, you can use alternatives like streaming devices, Fire TV, Chromecast, etc. Now, 10th fix, check your DNS settings. Advanced but useful. Sometimes changing DNS can fix connection issues. You can try Google DNS 8.8.8.8/8.8.4.4. This can improve connectivity. Now, here's an important tip. Avoid using VPNs on your TV. They can cause Netflix to not load show errors or block content. Now, let's quickly recap. To fix Netflix not working on smart TV, check your internet connection. Restart your TV. Check if Netflix is down. Update the app. Update your TV software. Sign out and back in. Clear cache or data. Reinstall the app. Check compatibility. Adjust DNS if needed. And that's it. These are the fixes that actually work in 2026. If this helped you, let me know. What exactly is happening? Netflix not opening, buffering, or showing an error?